Why do some projects succeed consistently while others struggle despite good planning? Is it just luck, or is there a proven system behind it? The answer often lies in understanding one powerful framework, the PMBOK Guide. It's the global language of project management. In this video, we're breaking down the PMBOK Guide to show you its structure, core principles, and how to actually use it to deliver value in your real-world projects. The PMBOK Guide has evolved. It's no longer just a list of processes. It's a flexible system designed to adapt to any industry from IT to construction. The foundation of the modern PMBOK Guide is built on 12 project management principles. These are the how to be for every project professional. From being a diligent steward and creating a collaborative team environment to effectively engaging stakeholders and focusing on value. These principles guide your mindset. They help you navigate complexity, manage risks, and ensure that quality is built into every step of your delivery. While principles guide your mindset, the 8 performance domains are where the actual work happens. Think of them as the how-to-do of project management. It starts with stakeholders and team. It's about building relationships and fostering a culture of high performance to ensure everyone is aligned. Then we look at the development approach and life cycle. Whether you're using predictive, agile, or a hybrid model, this domain helps you choose the right path. Planning and project work follow, where you organize resources, manage the physical work, and keep the team focused on the project's objectives. Finally, we have delivery and measurement. This is about ensuring you're delivering the right scope and measuring performance against your goals. Now here is the secret sauce: tailoring. The PMBOK Guide is not a one-size-fits-all rulebook. It's a toolkit designed to be customized. Tailoring means choosing the right processes, tools, and techniques for your specific environment, team size, and project complexity. By tailoring, you eliminate waste and focus your energy on what truly adds value to your organization and your customers. Ultimately, the PMBOK Guide helps you create a value delivery system, a holistic approach to turning strategy into reality. So remember, PMBOK is about more than just processes. It's about a mindset of principles, a system of performance, and the power of tailoring. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Andro Indian for more professional insights. What part of the PMBOK Guide do you find most challenging? Let us know in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.